We often talk about a person who we feel is not up to the mark as per our requirements, as per our likes and desires. And then our whole life routine gets upset when such person comes in our life. And definitely it is a matter of destiny, that is our karmas, that this happens. Nobody can predict who a person is like or who a person will be while he appears so different, so much good. So I am just letting you know the story of a girl who fell in love at first sight with a man, and then the things changed for her when the person absolutely appeared to be disappointing. This man was a completely coward, and he could not raise his voice even for the things of his interest. He would just run away from the bold situations, not only bold but even the routine situations. And this girl who was in his life felt highly frustrated. He was very innocent, kid like. But life does not go with a kid in the form of adult. All actions had to be then taken by this girl who herself was very naive and never got out of the house and did things as per the family dictates. She mustered courage to tell him what he should do, but he was such a retarded person that he just would not do things. He wouldn't respond to any good suggestion or anything for that matter. This girl also had to think what to be done in such a scenario when the man of the house is like a kid. And I can tell you that the worst thing a girl gets in her life is the weak man who cannot give support, social support, physical support, moral support to look after the girl and the family that gets built up. Small, small things make big things very small and life extremely terrible. This man never could speak up in front of his own family, even if the whole family robs him of whatever he has. People would come and take away things from him, and he would just say nothing. He would buy the same things again. People outside also do the same things with him, and he would not speak up even a word. Because of this girl became paranoid but was very sane and very smart and very good girl that she took up all the matters herself. She started becoming outgoing even though she was a very shy person herself. This way their life went on and a child came in their life. Now, this child was again brought up by this girl only because this man devoted all his time to his job like a slave and could not give time to the family. And as the time passed, this girl took care of everything herself, whether it's the relatives who wanted to grab all the money this girl earned and saved by her wisdom, wise ways. They would all come to live with them and to take away whatever this girl earned. This boy earned much less, even though he was highly qualified, because he had no practical mind to earn. He would simply give up all opportunities, good professional opportunities, and let them go. And he, in fact, really worked like a clerk, which is unimaginable. Even clerks have much better vision for change and for precautions. This girl thought कि maybe it is the beginning, struggling time. Maybe he learns as the time passes, but no, this never happened. This man happened to be a sort of retarded person. This is the biggest jerk of this girl's life, even though this girl never made any changes in her life, say going away and looking for another person or another family. Such a sincere girl, beautiful girl, and and respectable professional she was. Now, this man who never could take care of the bigger interests of the family, he would just pass on everything to all those who came. He could never make efforts to admit the child in good schools or college, and then in the matrimony. The child also suffered because of his meek attitudes. Ultimately, the child also probably was on his lines as far as mind was concerned, could not make a mark despite the support of the mother who stood by him with finances and with her own self, physically and morally. But she discovered that the boy also was meek and weak as far as other people were concerned. And ultimately, a professional girl who was outgoing and who was having multiple relationships and who was out of hand of her family trapped him by giving him small benefits. This boy came in her trap, and ultimately this girl fraudulently married this boy who was very simple and very good, and who was in fact a very good skilled person in music. This girl came from a middle class family, while this boy, due to her mother's wisdom, lived in a bungalow and with big cards which she could manage by her savings and by her wise attitude. And now the scene is the girl is trying to get into the parents' life because the father is weak and the son is weak. And she has a complete eye on the properties which were built by the mother solely. So, in life, this kind of situation comes which is not perceived by others, but which can be very destroying and mentally traumatic for the lady who is surrounded by such men who are unable to take care of the social angle, financial angle, and the bigger issues of life. And many girls suffer from this, which are not known to the people around. Only the girl suffers internally and externally. So, this is one aspect of a personality of a man which is extremely unpalatable. And that is why I advocate live in relationship to marriage, which harms the whole of the family life